Global warming is the increase of Earth's average temperature due to the effect of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide emission from burning fossil fuels or from deforestation. And global warming was an uncommon term used by a few scientists who were growing concerned over the effects of decades of pollution on a long-term weather pattern. Today, the idea of global warming is a well-known, if not well understood. It's not unusual to hear someone complain about a hot day or a freak storm and remark it's a global warming. How global warming is affecting my community? The most important sign that we are seeing in our community is the change of weather patterns because our people used to plant all the products that we eat in winter. But since a few years, we see that it's difficult to guess exactly when it's going to be the right time to plant. Sometimes it doesn't rain and everything gets lost, and sometimes rains too much. The older people always say the weather is crazy. Nobody understands anymore how it's going to be the next season. Another critical situation is the sickness in the child because of the increase in the temperatures in the middle of the day and decrease so much in the late hours. That starts to affect especially kids and cause some season sickness. Now we're going to talk about the effects of global warming. Destruction of ecosystem change, climate condition, and dramatic increase of carbon dioxide will put our ecosystem at risk, threatening suppliers of fresh water, clean air, food, and energy resources, food and medicine, and on other matters that we depend upon not just for our lifestyle but for our survival. Another effect is the loss of the biodiversity. As many as 30% of plants and animal species alive today risk extinction by 2050 in average temperature rise in more than 2 to 11 degrees. But of course, it can be done much more. It can be done much more. The governments all of the world can set limits on global warming, pollution, invest in green jobs and clean energy, drive smart cars, create green homes, and build better community and new world transportation.